In this video I'm going to show you how to repair LP sleeves which have come apart on the seams. Here's a typical example. Let's get rid of the vinyl first of all. We're going to do it the easy method. If you have a look along the top, you see a line of glue. Essentially that used to be glued with a hot glue method, so all that we're going to do is we're going to repeat the manufacturing process in a manner. I'm using just a normal domestic iron. It has no water inside. It's a steam iron, but it has no water in there. It's just on a hot setting, not on the hottest setting, but it's quite warm, just enough to melt the glue through the sleeves. The piece of paper, I'm not going to put the iron directly onto the LP. That's why I'm using a piece of paper there. And then when it's still quite warm, but we're just holding it together while the glue sets. The glue will set once it's cooled down. Let's have a look. That's nice. Yeah, nicely bonded. Just make sure there's no gaps there. That's good. Yeah, that looks fine. And that's all there is to it. Just do it again on another LP which I have here. Again, it's came apart on the top and bottom. Just remove the vinyl. You don't want to put an iron onto anything on the inside. Remove the vinyl, remove any photocopied slips, anything on the inside. We just, you just want to put that iron on the sleeve itself. These are UK and European LPs. The manufacturing process is one piece of card with flaps which have been folded over, and the glue which has been used originally to bond it is the hot glue method. On LP sleeves from other countries such as America, typically in America, the manufacturing process is different. You tend to get card which has been folded over, but then a wraparound paper sleeve has been added on the top and gummed down. So there's a different method of repairing those sleeves. It's nicely stuck down. Let's do the other side. This method, there's no messing around with sellotape and all sorts of glue and things. We just want to get the job done and finished. It only takes seconds to get this done, so you may as well try this as a first thing. Just holding down that edge there, because the glue, if it's still hot, the glue will not have bonded. It only bonds once it's cooled down. So rule of thumb, the iron was hot, but I can still touch afterwards. If it was too hot, then I wouldn't be able to touch it. There we are. Job done.